Hello, we talk with manufacturing leaders every week, and the story is the same: unplanned downtime, disconnected systems, and a tremendous pressure from the leadership or the board to do something with AI. But most leaders don't know from where to start and how to really go ahead with their first project using AI. And here is exactly where we Illuminous Technologies are going to help you. That's where our AI first approach makes huge difference. We don't start with just taking an AI solution and pasting it to your process like a makeup or a stick. But we first start with understanding your business processes, your business requirements, and our experts design a solution that how AI can help you to automate your workloads, develop predictive analysis tools that can bring insight to you, customer portals, and supplier visibility. We do everything not in months but in weeks by using our AI first approach, wherein you can also measure the ROI. We have helped a lot of manufacturing companies to go from AI curious to AI ready with prototypes, POCs, and live workflow automation processes. We are the team that speaks both of technology and understand the manufacturing processes at your end. Hence, if you are a 100 million plus manufacturing company in the US, your AI journey starts by connecting with us today. Thank you very much.